Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You must have seen a trending video of a Yoruba elder asking the governor of the Southeast to start to request for a tax from all the Igbo properties in their village because those properties are too beautiful to be built in their villages instead of in Lagos, so that they will demolish it like they are used to demolish Igbo property. Then there's this one guy in UK, Godson, is asking Yoruba to evict all Igbos from Yoruba land. But he is living in UK and the British people are not asking their people to evict him and other Yorubas in the UK. Can you see what hatred and envy is causing to some Yoruba bigots? Believe me, if Igbo leave Lagos today, Lagos will collapse. Because who do you think that pays the majority of the taxes that Lagos is using to sustain themselves? The Igbo, and that is why during Christmas, Lagos become a ghost town. Do you know that in Yoruba land, Lagos precisely, the amount of money you pay for electricity bill depends on your tribe. Your electricity bill is higher if you are Igbo and lower if you are a Yoruba in Lagos. You know, this envy started with Awolowo, who advised Gowon then that the only way to punish the Igbo is by introducing the 10 pounds policy and the indigenization policy. The idea was that if you take away their wealth, they will die of hunger and they won't be able to buy any infrastructure from the government after the war. All the government infrastructure properties were sold to Yoruba and the Northerners because the Igbo had no money to buy anything then. Do you know why they are angry and envy of the Igbo people today? Well, it is because after all the evil they have done to bring the Igbos down, it is not working. In fact, this envy and hatred started with Awolowo when he then advised the river people to seize the Igbo properties in order to divide Igbos. Now, their elders are advising their puppet governor of Southeast to impose rent on all the beautiful houses he sees in Igbo villages during the Christmas. I asked all the Yoruba bigots, what happened to all the money that Awolowo stole from the Igbo? What happened to the money? Well, Awolowo's lazy offspring have used the money to organize private party and Owambe. In fact, in Yoruba DNA, it's all about free money and party. Owambe, nothing. Wearing all those rubbish big clothes in that hot weather. Imagine this, their Abado mentality. Collecting free money from the Igbo in Lagos is what is sustaining them. We are leaving their Lagos very soon. Let them eat this property. Let's see what they will do with it. Even if you leave all the Igbo properties in Lagos for them, believe you me, in 5 years they will still sell the property. Those properties, they will sell it to Chinese because the Northerners are not buying, are not ready to buy properties outside their region. The Igbos didn't steal your land with gun. You sold the land to the Igbo people because you wanted to organize private party and Owambe. So deal with it. Igbo properties in Lagos will be your end if you think you will keep destroying the Igbo properties. To tell you how wicked they are during Christmas, they went to destroy Igbo shops in Computer Village when these people are already in the East celebrating Christmas. The economic blockage of the Nigerian government against the Igbo was as a result of the advice and policies the Yoruba people have given to the Northerners, their slave masters. Because of the fear of Lagos going down, Lagos property, since they started demolishing the property, the Lagos property is going down. The property value is going down already since the demolition. Because Igbos are not buying like before. In fact, one Yoruba on Twitter says that don't vote for Peter Obi Because if you vote for P2B, P2B will build a seaport in the Igbo land. Imagine a youth having this kind of mindset. What do you think their elders will think? Before, to travel out of Nigeria or to clear your goods, you must go to Lagos. Many Igbos were killed because of bad road or other things on their way to Lagos before they will travel outside the country. And these things were happening because of the policy of Yoruba. Because they were the one advising the Northerners. The Northerners doesn't have problem. They only care about their Sharia. But Yoruba